all have some holiday dishes that we look forward to every single season, right? But there's always room for a new drink or a new appetizer. Come on. How about something you saw online, right? That looked delicious.
I mean.
Have you seen this?
Have I seen it?
Ereka Vetrini is a recipe developer, and today she is showing us how to make 2 of her most viral recipes that will make you the hostess with the mostest.
Oh, the host with the most. The host with
I added an EST to hostess to the
I want to be the mostest.
The mostest.
I want to be the mostest.
Erica,
Right.
Dan, Erica.
Yes,
I love when my friends
We go
meet
way
each
back.
other. You go back to 2 minutes ago.
2 minutes ago.
We get to booze together early in the morning on our first meeting.
I love it.
I mean, that's fun.
Yeah, I'm in. You had me at booze.
Let me tell you something. If you have not followed her,
I will.
it is. I steal her recipes.
What did you want me to do? You were asking me to do something.
Oh, I wanted to show you that this is actually a cake stand. Are we ready?
Oh.
You flip that base. Go ahead. Flip it.
Because he's hosting Christmas.
Great. Now, I'm not going to put it all the way down because we don't want the crumbs to
Look at that.
fall. But
Look at
this
that.
is actually a cake stand. And now we are going to make it into a cocktail
Here
cake
we
stand.
go.
Magic of teamwork.
Look at this.
Magic of teamwork.
And
can you guys do me the honors?
It's water.
Please? No, it's not. Vanilla, vodka.
The whole thing?
Irish cream, dump it in. Go, baby, go,
I knew you two
go.
would like each other.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. So we're making sort of, I think it's more of like an amaretto cookie because I'm Italian.
Oh my
We've got some amaretto liqueur in here too.
While we're doing, what has made these viral?
Beautiful.
Is it the vessel?
I think it's the obvious. I turned a cake stand into a cocktail.
And then rimmed it with candy cane.
You know what? It's just the fun of it. I think we have to bring back the fun to the holiday parties. What do you think? It needs to be crazy. It needs to be a little bit fun. We have some amaretto that we're going to put in there as well.
This business?
And this is the simple syrup.
What's
so
this?
it's a really,
The amaretto?
yep. And I chilled in the freezer all of the alcohol. That's an amaretto liqueur.
The whole thing.
Bailey, it's an Irish cream, a vanilla vodka, amaretto liqueur, and a simple syrup. Super easy.
Smell good.
High maximum fun.
Oh, well, you just threw it. I mean, you just
I
threw
am
in.
clutching this Bailey's like.
Like, is
Like
it
a
really?
child?
Is it really 10:30 in the morning? I'm not sure. Is it? Is it?
Okay.
So it's that simple, guys. And I think the viral component is just that. I mean, who doesn't want a little bit of surprise and fun? And I think a signature drink at a cocktail party is key. And if you don't want to drink out of the crazy rimmed ones,
No, I like
please
it.
do.
Yeah.
All right.
I would like this signature drink just for dinner tonight.
Right? I've done it as an espresso martini too. I've
That's
done
the
a
one I
version.
saw.
Yep, that works. A margarita.
You see, guys, I haven't said. I have been right in my element right here, mixing and serving. I've just.
Oh my God, girl, guys!
Cheers.
I know. Should I be drinking too? Oh, next one, after the next one,
Okay.
I promise I'll join you. So that's it. That's easy breezy. Always, always bring a signature cocktail. It's good, right?
Wow.
Did we even mix
That's
it?
so good. I mean, it reminds you
That
that
just
you're
hit me in the
alive.
chest.
It reminds you you're alive. I have a hollow leg, so you just leave these.
It's so funny you say that. We call my friend Holly. We say she has a hollow leg. We tell her she has a hollow leg because she could drink us under the table. If you're listening, Holly, you know I'm
playing
right.
rugby.
Okay, can we move on to
hold
something
quick?
Oh, sorry.
Business. You at home, scan the QR code on your screen to get the recipes.
Yes, sorry.
Go.
Okay, continue. Okay, so signature cocktail is always key. I like to go with light apps. We're going to make a persimmon salad before a big holiday party because I want them to eat the main event.
Right.
So a persimmon salad always works. There's 2 types of persimmons. Do we know them?
I did not.
Hachia, and this is called a
in the
fuyu.
tomato family.
No, sweeter. It's in the.
It looks like it though, but
They
you know
do.
what? I don't blame you for thinking
They
that.
kind of taste like a papaya, mango, honey. Think that sort of combination right there.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to be using the fuyu because they're nice and firm. This one, the hachia, needs to get super soft before you eat them. All I did was slice them really, really, really super
With a
thin.
On your mandolin.
On my mandolin. Yep, nice and thin. Use a glove. Use a. Yep. What was it?
I asked for one for Christmas because I
Oh,
wanted
did
a mandolin.
you?
Yes,
Love
it's on my
this.
list.
Well, this is for Christmas. How sweet is that?
Isn't that nice?
And now I'm making a simple vinaigrette. This vinaigrette has pomegranate juice. You can also use orange juice, olive oil, honey, and the key ingredient is a nice chili crisp.
Like
That we're
that.
going to add to that.
Nice.
That's a good one.
We're going to shake that up. We don't have to do that if we don't want to right now. I don't know how we are on time, but you do
We're
that.
great.
We're great. Oh, good. Then
We
I'm
got
gonna
nothing
shake.
but time. The senior producer just said, yeah, sure.
Shake it up. Shake
I
it.
like these vessels as well.
Yeah.
This shaking situation.
Where'd you get
like
those?
Do you not see her on Instagram? She's on the kitchen island. She leans over. Her muscles are bulging.
Yeah.
She's got this beautiful kitchen.
Sure.
This is why I show up
Sorry.
here. This is why I come.
She's your hype woman.
This one had a couple million views. I want to say 5 to 6. This one about 1 million for a persimmon salad. And I think the reason why is because people are intrigued by persimmons. But all I do here is simply bathe it. I call this a persimmon carpaccio salad. So I'm literally going to dunk my beautiful persimmons in this beautiful. Look at that. I mean, I don't know if you can get a catch at how gorgeous that is,
nice.
right?
That's so pretty.
And you plate that beautifully like that. One and all, you just overlay them, and then you're going to top this with just crushed pistachios, pomegranate seeds, right? And then I went with burrata. You can
love it. You know what? I love you.
You love me?
I was gonna say, I see hearts. I see hearts in his eyes. She's happily married. She got 2 kids.
Oh, and they always
Ereka,
are.
thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, I love
Such
it, guys.
a pleasure. I'm so glad my friends met. Do yourself a favor.
Yeah.
You trying to get to her?
I know. I'm trying to
I'm
get to the persimmon salad.
Sorry, here you go. He's like, not me. Go ahead.
Ereka, you're in my way. Give me the salad. Follow Ereka V and scan the QR code on your screen to get to those recipes.